Then we have to really work upon after marketing, and once you have done your promotion, the second step you really need to understand is who is your customer. Now, whichever customer, we had discussed earlier that you need to understand how many customers are coming daily in your store. Now, for example, if you want to sell 28 pieces, so minimum is that 60 to 70 customers should walk in your outlet. Now, if 60 to 70 people are walking in your outlet, you have to understand that every person, every individual is different. So once the consumer has entered into your store, it is very, very important for you as a sales personnel to understand what is being demanded. Now, let's say you've shown one particular style, your customer was not satisfied. So saying it that you don't have any other pieces will not work out. The customer will walk off your store without buying any, making a purchase. But instead of that, a good sales personnel will make the consumer, delight, will make him happy by serving a cup of tea, cup of coffee, or offering water, or making arrangement for the playing area of the kids, and then showing him another styles and various colors. So if you're going to show, let's say, 10 styles to your consumer, I am 100% sure that your consumer will definitely buy at least one out of those 10 styles that you have been offered. Then another factor is, which we talk in marketing, is cross selling. Now, if you're a good sales personnel, you will really work upon this effort that you can do cross selling by selling XYZ features with the product that is being bought by your consumer. Now, for this cross selling means, let's say example, your customer has bought a pair of denim jeans. Now, only selling him a pair of denim jeans will not work out. Your main motive is you want to increase the sales volume. So with a pair of jeans, if you're able to sell t-shirt, if you're able to sell any other gadgets, let's say belt, wallet, scarves, or let's say shirt, then that is called as cross selling. And obviously, if you're able to do that, your customer will be satisfied, you will be satisfied, because you're selling a lot of products to your consumer. That is, and that can only happen if the sales personnel is actually having an insight about the in-depth knowledge about the product that are being placed in your outlet, so that he can actually explain to the consumer how to keep that product. Will that colors will, let's say for example, if your customer is asking a query about whether the color will fade off or not, so if the sales personnel does not have any answer to that, the consumer will never buy, because keeping a consumer in a foray, he will never buy that particular product. So as a sales personnel, you have to actually clarify each and every query that is being asked by your consumer. Then in that, the major focusing area is the quality parameters. Your quality should be perfect. Perfect means stitching should be perfect. There should be no hanging threads. The garment which you are selling, the ready-made garment, should be defect free. It should not have any single defect in the product. And after wash also, after wash program, the consumer should be satisfied with the product that he has bought from your outlet. And if you're able to do that, your consumer will definitely come to your outlet and make a repeat purchase, because it is very difficult to retain an old customer. It's easier to make a new customer, but if you're able to retain the old customer, then your word of mouth will work as an advertisement and a promotion scheme for your outlet.